Why prep healthy snacks?
Preparing healthy snacks ahead of time saves you from reaching for less nutritious options when life gets busy. It helps you stick to your wellness goals, control portions, and keep your energy steady throughout the day. With just a little planning, wholesome snacks become easy, accessible, and satisfying, even on your most hectic days.
Choosing nutritious ingredients.
This is the best part of your daily healthy habits. Consider fresh fruits, raw or roasted nuts, vegetable sticks, whole grain crackers, Greek yogurt, or hummus. Look for foods rich in fiber and protein to keep you fuller for longer.
Plan ahead and batch prep.
Set aside time once or twice a week to prepare your snacks in batches. Wash and chop vegetables, portion out nuts or trail mix, and pre-pack fruit cups or yogurt. Use clear containers so you can easily see what's ready to grab. This routine minimizes last-minute decisions and makes healthy snacking a breeze.
Smart storage tips.
Proper storage keeps your snacks fresh and safe to eat. Use airtight containers for nuts, seeds, and crackers. Store cut fruits and vegetables in the fridge with damp paper towels to maintain freshness. Label containers with dates so older snacks don't go to waste. Keeping everything visible and organized increases the chances you'll reach for nutritious choices.
Snack ideas for on the go.
Try simple, portable snacks to support your busy lifestyle. Some ideas include apple slices with nut butter, veggie sticks with hummus, homemade granola bars, whole grain rice cakes, or cheese and whole wheat crackers. Mix and match based on your taste preference and dietary needs to keep things interesting and enjoyable.
Building sustainable habits.
Consistency is key for a healthier snacking routine. Make prepping snacks a regular part of your schedule. Keep track of what works best for you so you can adjust over time. With practice, prepping healthy snacks will feel effortless and support your long-term well-being, no matter how busy your days get.